Charles Darwin, an English naturalist and geologist, is best known for his theory of evolution. He said that evolution worked through natural selection. Natural selection means that some individuals in a species are better at surviving than others. According to his theory, all species of life has descended from a common ancestor. Charles Darwin changed the way the people looked at living things. Darwin's theory of evolution explains where living things came from and how they adapt. In 1859, Charles Darwin published a book titled On the Origin of Species. In this, he presented a theory of evolution based on natural selection, that is, organisms including plants, animals, and humans that better adapt to their environment will survive longer. Children, did you know that the naturalist who linked humans to monkey waited 20 years for his groundbreaking theory of evolution to be published? Charles Darwin's contribution to the scientific world today make him one of the most important scientists of all time. Isaac Newton is one of the most famous scientists of all time. He discovered some amazing things. First is theory of gravity. This theory helped to explain the movements of planets and the sun. Newton told the story of seeing an apple fall on the ground from a tree, which inspired him to wonder why it fell down rather than up or across. This led him to his work on defining gravity, and this theory, known today as Newton's law of universal gravitation. Newton also invented laws of motion. Newton's law of motion were three fundamental laws of physics that laid the foundation for classical mechanics. Newton also developed a strand of mathematics called calculus. It is an important type of maths used in advanced engineering and science. Next important invention of Newton is reflecting telescope. This type of telescope uses mirrors to reflect light and form an image. Nearly all of the major telescopes used in astronomy today are reflecting telescopes. Now let's talk about the famous scientist Nicholas Copernicus. He was an astronomer and known as the father of modern astronomy. People know him for his idea about the sun and the earth. His main idea was that our world is heliocentric or sun-centered. Helio means sun and centric means center. His theory was that the sun is in the middle of solar system and every planet, including Earth, revolved around the sun. Let's learn about the most famous scientist of 21st century, Stephen Hawking. He was a cosmologist, means someone who studies the universe as a whole. When Hawking was 21, he was diagnosed with a disease that weakens muscles and causes paralysis. Despite his diagnosis, he continued to work. Hawking made many important contributions to the world of science. He invented important theories about the Big Bang, that is, the start of the universe, black holes, and how they work. He predicted that black holes eject some radiations. That kind of radiation is named Hawking radiation. He has received many awards for his work, including the 1979 Albert Einstein Medal, the Order of British Empire in 1982, and the 1988 Wolf Prize in Physics. He earned a doctorate from the University of Cambridge in 1966. He is remembered as an inspiration to many people.